Hello everyone, I'm Chen Liu and I'm from the Paper Dye MS Applied Analytics program. Today I want to walk you through the process that how I apply Tableau Paper Builder to clean and reconstruct the data that I download from the open source website and make it ready to be used for my own story, which is the overview of how the world shaped by the change of personal income from the 2000 to 2018. So let's get started. The first step is to download the dataset, and this time I choose 4 datasets for my story from the open source Gapminder, which are babies per woman, child mortality, income per person, life expectancy. As I open the child mortality data, there are many problems in my dataset. For example, we cannot directly visualize bivariate table in my Tableau, and there are some countries that have null values. Also, I only need the dataset from 2000 to 2018, so I want to use Tableau Builder to solve this problem. Here is how the overall workflow looks like. Let's get started from the beginning. So let's create a new workbook flow. And then we want to connect the data we download from the website text file. And for example, we want to choose life expectancy years and we want to open it. Then we can see the columns and rows listing the table. Since the file name is not the years, so we want to click the first line contain header, and then we can see the file name is country and years. Because since we want to filter out the years we want, so we just unclick the rows and then we want to go under the below. Quickly filter those check mark. After filter all those years, do not forget to check the country. Then we want to add the step to do some cleaning for the data. Then we want to do some cleaning for the data. For example, like the data type. For country, we want to change it to geographic and country region. And then we want to check if there's any spelling mistake in the dataset. For example, like this one called the Louvre, and it has another name in Tableau. So its name is Ivory Coast. And then we can see that now it is right. Also for this one, Laos. And now we have the correct name in country. Next, we want to pivot the table. Then we want to press the Shift button on your keyboard and then add all those years together to drop it into the pivot field. And then Tableau will automatically generate the result for us. After we pivot all the tables, like the first pivot table, and we want to join those tables together to create a new data set to collect all the data. And then please choose left join. And we also want to match the year here to make the dataset more accurate. Please repeat this step. After we join all the dataset and rearrange it as some step descriptions, we come to the final step and we want to add an output and run the flow. After we finish this, now you have complete all the steps. Thank you for listening.